Well, we're at the Rainforest, but apparently
we should have gone to the visitor center.
We're lost. So loads of cars going down here. I'm curious to see where actually these go. So I don't know whether these are lost or they're going somewhere. We're lost. I don't know where we're going. But we're going downhill. You sure this is a two-way?
I mean, I think so. I mean, we have to get back, and this is the only way we know to get back. So just mind. I think.
An idiot if it's not a two-way.
Well, there's no signs indicating that it's not a two-way, and you know how their roads are all narrow and two-way anyway.
Well, we'll soon find out.
Well, I guess we will soon find out.
The sign's facing me, so
that's true. That's a valid point. If you weren't meant to go this way, there would not be signs facing this way.
Yeah.
That's smart. I didn't think about that.
Whoa.
See? Two-way. There we go. We both fit.
So he's turning around all these people because they ain't got reservations.
Correct. We have to leave here before 5 o'clock. You get fined like $500 if you're out of here late.
Really?
Yeah.
Anybody? Reservation?
Christina to be sure. Christina, do you have an idea, Bill?
Yes.
Okay, you can go ahead. Make sure to exit before 5 o'clock and park only at designated areas.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day. Bye.
We're going to try and get to the top of that tower. I want to see that view.
Yeah.
You want to see a view? Look at this for a view.
You're frustrating me. You're frustrating me, Dad. Stop. Let's stop with a joke.
One thing you've got to have in a rainforest.
What?
One thing you've got to have in a rainforest is Subway.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Putwood.
Hello.
It's one of these places where you drive about, you park, you get out, and you have a look. Some people hike, but there's a lot of drivers though, isn't there? A lot of drivers, you park, you get out, look at the views, get back in the car and drive up. So we're going further up. I don't know how high I am, but I can just tell the air's so fresh. It's beautiful. Look at it. So fresh, and you can just smell it. Beautiful. That was amazing. So fresh, beautiful. Love that waterfall. I got some good pictures as well. But man, I love it here. It's beautiful. That's why it's a rainforest.